How to delete app data on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete app data on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete an app data on iPhone, so let's say you have a TikTok application logged in and you want to just delete all the data of this TikTok app. Now for this, if I open settings and then if I just go to general, and even if I go to this option called iPhone storage and view all the apps, you can see even if I select that particular TikTok app which occurs up to 1.22 gigabytes of space, I cannot delete the whole app data. What I can do is I can just offload the app, but I can't really delete the app data. That is because iOS does not let you delete the app data unless the app itself offers you. The only way to delete the whole app data and reset the app is to either log out of the account if you want, or you can just go ahead and then delete the TikTok app, or you can also choose to clear the cache here, but of course that is not necessarily going to go and clear the data. You can after that just go ahead and try to uninstall the app and reinstall the app to see if that helps you solve the problem. This way you should be able to delete app data on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.